Electric is a professional high-tech enterprise which produces electric control equipment, telephone line fittings, and power switch equipment. It is a member of China Chamber of Commerce for import and export of mechanical and electronic products. It is the supplier and business partner of State Grid Corporation of China, China National Petroleum Corporation, 3M Company of the United States, Schneider Company of France, Wuzhou Real Estate, China Railway Real Estate, Tian Real Estate, and Wansheng Real Estate.
Vilun has more than 20 patents. We have registered the trademark Vilun in the US, South Korea, Vietnam, India, Thailand, and so on. By scientific production technology, professional technical personnel, perfect quality assurance system, advanced testing and inspecting equipment to ensure the safety and reliability of our products. Vilun has obtained the production license and 3C certification issued by the State Administration of Technology Supervision and passed the IOS 9001-2008 Quality Management System certification. Vilun Electric mainly produces and manages energy-saving power fittings, optical cable fittings, semiconductor electric boiler, box-type substation, ring network switchgear, power control box, and other products, as well as the construction, installation, and debugging of power products under 10,000B. Products with its innovative design concept, convenient installation, widely used in power transmission and distribution lines, optical cable lines, and other communication lines. The company products are sold to more than 30 countries, such as the US, South Korea, Australia, the Philippines, Vietnam, Russia, Turkey, Poland, South Africa, Indonesia, Brazil, Chile, and so on. We rely on the optical technology of Changchun and the resource of Guangzhou Park, a new district to develop laser cutting machine and laser engraving machine, and will be put into our production in the market in 2020. Vilun people take their customer satisfaction, employee happiness, enterprise value as an entrepreneurial principle. Adhere to the scientific and technological innovation to promote development. Quality and safety for survival business philosophy. User-centered to provide users with quality products and perfect pre-sale after-sale service. Connect the bright, link the future. Our company staff and the world's electricity users will be jointly committed to the development of power transmission and distribution products. In the future, Vilun Electric will continue to stimulate new mutuality on the road of scientific and technological innovation, create new performance, and contribute to the development of our city.